Okay, so welcome to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is an unboxing video of the Cricut Joy machine. I just purchased this with my own money, and I did purchase it yesterday. Yesterday was the release day. I haven't opened the box. As you can see, it still has the seal on it. So let's get started. We're going to actually open the box. And let me grab my scissors. Okay, so here are my scissors. We're going to open it. The retail price of this is $179.99, and I went in the store and purchased it, and it was a great thing that I did because the store I purchased it from, they only had two. I do have other Cricut machines. I have the Cricut Air 2, a Cricut Maker, as well as a Cricut Air Gold. So I have quite a few Cricuts. I've been using Cricut machines for a while. I even still have my original Cricut back from the infomercial days. So I'll probably be getting rid of some of those and going to this machine, especially now since I do a lot of cups and things of that nature. So let's see what we have. So open the box. It's the inside. Looks like this. Here is the machine. It's wrapped and sealed. Okay, great. Then inside the box is the little welcome book. Oh, it says open me, so let's open. I'm going to try to read instructions instead of just connecting like I normally do and go right for it. Okay, so it says let's get started. Okay, and then it tells you exactly how to set the machine up. Gives you some sample papers, different things to try, some smart vinyl. Okay, so we have the smart vinyl here. It gave us some cardstock, and there's the warranty information there, and a mat. Okay, so let's put this in here until we get ready to cut. Okay, so let's take out the let's get started so we can get set up. I have my Cricut cutter here, my paper trimmer, just in case I need it for anything, and behind me in my drawers behind me I have some vinyl and stuff, so we'll actually do a cut and things like that. Okay, put that to the side for now so I can get us all set up. I'm gonna move my sharp scissors out the way because I will injure myself. Excuse my cup turner behind me. If you can see it, I don't know. I'm working on cups as we speak. I have my laptop here as well. Okay. So then when I open the box, there's the cords and everything in there. So pull those out. And then we also have a pen, and it comes with a fine point 0.4 black pen. Okay. I have tons of Cricut pens, so I don't know if it'll fit in this machine or not, but we'll see. I think this pen looks thicker, so that means I'll probably have to get new pens, but they may have an adapter for it. Alright, so we've opened it. Let's get ourselves all set up. Okay, so get my scissors. Where did I put my scissors? Alright, so let's go for it. I'm going to take the plastic off. Alright, and it says go to Cricut.com setup. We'll walk you through every step. Okay, so I am going to get my laptop back up with me. do enjoy using my Cricut for all of my projects. As you can see, I even use the Cricut to make these stickers here. I use it for a lot of different reasons. Like I said, I do cups. This t-shirt that I have on here is one that I've made also with the Cricut. So okay, let me unlock my computer. Okay, and then it says go to cricut.com/create. Okay, to the internet. Cricut.com/create. Okay, I'm going to turn so you can see what I see on the desktop. Okay, so going into, let's maximize this. Okay, so now when I go into Cricut.com, let's create, it says more resources to get you started. Let me see if you can adjust the camera. So it says, let's get started. Let me dim my lights so you don't see the ring. Okay, so it says, let's get started. So more resources to get you started. Just select your machine, which is the Cricut Joy. Okay, and then let's click play and see what happens. So here...
Hi, this is Chris from Cricut. I'm going to walk you through the process of finding projects and images that you can make on your Cricut Joy.
Okay, so let's pause that video for a second. So here it says, included with your machine is the blade housing, a fine point pen and standard grip mat deluxe, paper, adhesive back deluxe paper, and smart vinyl. And then we want to go to need to set up the machine. While that's loading, I'm going to record. And it says design space for Mac. So we want to click open. It's page to open Cricut Design Space 3. Allow. Alright, so it's verifying. Open. And so it says I need to do an update. So it's going to update. Once it's done with that, I'll come back and we'll get recording, okay? To actually get the machine set up. Okay, so while that's downloading and updating, let's go ahead and plug the machine up. So when that gets going, we can actually start, okay? So it says I need an update. So it says in the design. Okay, so it's still doing that. Okay, so on the back of the machine here, on this side here is the power cord connector, and it comes with this base here and then the cord. I'm just going to connect them here like so. Okay. Alright. So there's that. So then let's plug it in there, and then I'm going to go and plug it to give it some power. And again, this video I'm just opening it and just going to do one cut, just a play cut, kind of test cut, test run, and see how it works. And then I'll upload another video later and we'll actually do a cut for something that I'm actually in the process of working on a cup now. So I'll do the cut for that cup from this machine, so we can see how it looks and see how it works, okay? To power. Alright, let's see. So it says it still has about 4 more minutes, so I'm going to pause the video here, and then what I'll do is I'll come back and once that's up and we can actually turn the computer around and you can see how it connects. You see here once it has power, the light lit up there that the power is on the machine. And then when I open it, there we go. It's the inside. It does have, it only has the one holder here on this machine, because again, it is a small machine. It's not the bigger machine like the Cricut Maker, Cricut Air 2s, where you can do a dual cutting system at one time, so you could cut and write at the same function. So you can only do one at a time with this machine, which is perfectly fine for me because that's what I'm going to use it for. I'm not going to do a lot of probably writing with this machine. I'll use my Cricut Maker, Cricut Air 2 Golds, whatever, for that. So you just have your one chamber here. The blade is already in there, and that's how it looks. Alright, so the machine itself, let me get the box, let me give you the dimensions. See what it says. Box. So it says the machine dimensions are 8.5 inches by 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches. Okay, I probably also will do a download and do a cut from my phone. I think that would be a really good video. So we could do one cut from the laptop as a video, a cut from the from my cell phone, and then a cut from my iPad as well. So there on the box that's the dimensions. As you can see, it's really small. It says it cuts individual shapes up to 4 feet long, or makes continuous cuts up to 20 feet long without a cutting mat. Okay. Alright, so that's the unboxing. In the next video, I'll probably come back and do a video and we'll actually do a cut. Okay, so see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day and get to creating.